super A1 ase de phal prahi man mitha bra khaise. So we'll see you in next video. Till then, stay safe everyone, stay blessed. God bless you all. Next time the look babo. Thank you. Didi to ajibi fufu panai dikha bole aisi de. Aji to atapara panai se de. Ito most of the my fufu I used to make by suji and rakhi powder, but today I want to make by ada. Ada. To sai thagibi. Pani to korom ase ha. Mo ekla khabole ase to olop hi kanale. I think water is more. হৈ যাব. This is for my lunch. Ni boila prabi moi to time to time itu fufu to khai thake video start nakora ki na, because it's very healthy and very yummy. Aro itu bishi bhal ase, healthy food ase. Apni han bi parile kitaba to phat phati na khabi. Morning phat, afternoon phat, evening bi phat. Rice hi khato. It's not good for health. Also diabetes bi manu ko to aman rice prabi ulek. The kitaba to inega bana khabi. Especially in village, millet rice powder bi banabo pare. Aro local rice ki ase na bishi mokai laga rice itu prabi powder banabi. Powder banai na kha ena kurbi. Okay, it's very easy to make. Papa ama khan tat na thakha khan bina itu khan to easily khabo pare. You can easily swallow. Ada lagabi phala sele bi moi to bishi phal ba do rakhi powder aro suji phal lagi moi. Kumba to yeti rice powder na ready made pai itu prabi banai itu that is almost rice. Itu maida ata maida bra to na banabi. Lebi ata itu wheat asina. Tibra, this is good. Aro next video de moi parile itu banana laga aro takan African khan pra banai na itu khan bi try kori sabo. Banana fufu aro tomato no tomato, potato, sweet potato khan pra bi banai takan. It's very nice. Itu to ata, it's only ata. Rice powder pra bi bishi phal bolai lebi moi to phal na pai. Ata na hole rakhi powder na hole suji. You can think dahi phala se moi nimide. You can make by anything, but don't make by maida. It's not good. Nimok pin halibi. No need to put salt because in curry soup already is there. Substitute already halina mahan. Let it be steam little. Open also to moi bishi ek par bishi panai na store rakhina. I used to keep in the freezer. So whenever I want, I warm and eat. To ek par bishi banabo to freezer te hali rakhi de. To kita khabole mon ase. To ulai na warm kori na kha. So this is the one. Beef leg and the beef skin na. Ata pra to iman phal na pai lebi. Apni han garni banai de ase. Because muk pra hi kwa to not good na. To practical like ata bana bi banai ko na. Lebi moi iman phal na pai. Ata pra to I like suji and rakhi powder mix. Beef leg.